Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do your own twist out. So this is my hair after I washed and blow dried it last night. So first I'll start off by parting and sectioning my hair. I want small to medium sized twists, so I don't want my sections to be too big. And I want to make all my sections about the same size for the best curl consistency. I add some Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly by Curls to my hair to add a little dampness to help create that curl. Then I add Tropical Roots Twist Cream. This helps to really hold that twist. Make sure you add enough to your ends to help hold the twist and lock in moisture. And by adding these products and by curling the ends really well, the twist should last long enough to dry before it's time to unravel them. It's also important to twist tightly enough for them to last. Loose twists unravel easily. So this is my hair about 24 hours after I set the twists. You want to make sure your twists are completely dry before you unravel them. Then, as the final step, I add Murray's Edgewax to help smooth my edges. If you decide to try this style on your own hair, let me know what you think in the comments.